Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working in Xiaomi 17T. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.